Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create your own AI super agent in ClickUp. I will run through the process with an example where my super agent would be able to go through a YouTube script of my video and generate a blog based on the prompts. We'll set up automation in our workflow to trigger it once the transcript is ready and make the blog document available with review, status, and assignee. Let's get super started. In the ClickUp workspace, navigate to AI. In the AI Hub, you can see New Super Agent tab that I will click on. I'm providing my prompt here, which says that I want to create a blog from my YouTube videos. It should add additional information to keep the blog up to date, as well as detailed for readers to gain value. To give my super agent an idea, I'm also providing an example transcript and a blog which is created by myself going through the video. This will give the super agent an idea about my style and how it should work. When I press enter, it opens a dialog between myself and super agent builder, which will walk through the steps by asking questions to perform better. Now it is clarifying the concept and asking questions. First is for source of transcript. Would you want the agent to pull transcript automatically from YouTube uploads or tasks, or will you paste it manually? This sounds cool. If the agent could retrieve it from the YouTube channel, so I'm deliberately responding yes, and also providing the channel name. Second question is, where should it save the draft? So I'm providing a link to a list in ClickUp that handle my blog workflow. Third question is, should the agent run automatically for each new video? I will definitely say yes. However, the agent can actually not retrieve the transcript from YouTube channel, so I will need to alter it later. But this is here to show you that whatever it asks doesn't necessarily mean it will be able to do it. Therefore, test it out and modify it to get better. Now it is asking whether to create a blog task in the specified list. Let's click on the yes option. Next, it is asking where the actual blog document should live. Then, what should be the format, length, and SEO. I'm going to use a separate ClickUp doc link from the task around 1000 words, tone consultant level but non-technical, and yes to all SEO elements. Now it is asking for context, where the agent should take for as main point of extra context, and the intelligent question here is, if the transcript is missing or very low quality, what the agent should do. This is like your teammate. If he can't find the information he needs to work on, what should he do? These types of questions help you make the process refined and optimized. To my answer, I'm adding a correction on number of words and then choosing for the context and what to do in case of missing information. Next, how should I be notified? I'm going to choose option 1, which is comment on the blog task and @mention me. The super agent is ready with some final checks to confirm. I'll keep on pressing next. Let's now run the agent to test. I'm providing the URL of the YouTube video. When I do that, the agent has responded that it cannot retrieve the transcript information, the limitation I mentioned earlier in this video. So for testing, let's copy the transcript and paste it for the agent to proceed, and then we will modify our agent to work from the transcript we will add to a ClickUp task. A transcript. Our agent has worked. There is an alert in the inbox that provides you the link to the blog draft as well as the task. It also shows you a summary of what has been achieved. This is good information and summary. This is the blog draft generated by super agent based on the transcript. All very well detailed, having proper heading and also SEO guide, including meta title, description, and keywords. Now that your agent has delivered a good outcome, you can also edit the description in the agent's role. So as this agent can't retrieve transcript from YouTube, I want a video is there with the task when the trigger happens. And once the blog is generated, the blog's task status should change to review. Once I make all these changes, we'll save the super agent to work as directed. You can also change the avatar, the picture of the super agent, from your custom uploads or the ones that are already available there. I'm glad to save time on my blogs. What is the next super agent you want me to build for you? Comment below and I will create a video on that. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for your time.